Assalamualaikum. My name is NATASHA binti MAHADZIR and my matrix number is ACT3502. So now I would like to present to you about Gantt chart, PERT chart and critical paths. What is Gantt chart? A Gantt chart is a commonly used graphical description of a project schedule. It's a type of bar chart showing the start and the finish dates of a project's elements such as resources, planning, and dependencies. The Gantt chart is the most widely used chart in project management. These charts are useful in planning a project and defining the sequence of tasks that require completion. In most instances, the chart is displayed as horizontal bar chart. So, this slide shows the example of Gantt chart. Horizontal bars of different lengths represent the project timeline, which can include task sequences, duration, and start and end dates for each task. The horizontal bar also shows how much of a task requires completion. I would like to tell you about the advantages and disadvantages of Gantt chart. Okay, firstly, the advantages. It is to present the project schedules and activities. Next, easy to represent the task, subtask, milestone, and project visually on a graph. Third, clear visibility of dates and time frames. Fourth, it helps to see the plans day by day, week, month, quarter, and year. Lastly, helps to effectively manage the team. Next, the disadvantage. Require more effort for creating and managing the chart. Second, updating a chart is very time consuming. Third, all tasks are not visible in a single view of Gantt chart. Fourth, need to scroll and click additional buttons more to view remaining items. Lastly, fifth, stack represent only the time and not the hours, the work. Now, let's continue with the next slide. Okay, what is PERT chart? A PERT chart, sometimes called PERT diagram, is a project management tool used to schedule, organize, and coordinate tasks within a project. It provides a graphical representation of project's timeline that enable project managers to break down each individual task in the project for analysis. PERT charts provide project managers with an estimation of the minimum amount of time needed to complete a project. Managers can also analyze the work breakdown and task connection as well as assess the risks associated with the project. Now, this is the example of PERT chart. The PERT chart template uses nodes drawn as rectangle or circle to represent events and milestones throughout the project. The nodes are connected by vectors drawn as lines, which represent the various tasks and that need to be completed. Next, the advantages and disadvantages. First, planning for large project, visibility for critical paths, analysis of activities, coordinating ability, and the what-if ability. Next is disadvantages. Time-focused method, subjective analysis, inaccuracy due to prediction, expensive, and lastly, other issues. So lastly, I will explain about critical paths. What is critical paths? In a project management, the critical path is the longest sequence of tasks that must be completed to complete a project. The tasks on a critical path are called critical activities because if they are delayed, the whole project completion will be delayed. Finding the critical path is very important for project managers because it allows accurately estimate the total project duration, identify task dependencies, resource constraints, and project risk, prioritize tasks, and create realistic project schedules. To find the critical path, project managers use the critical path method (CPM) algorithm to define the least amount of time necessary to complete each task with the least amount of time. Okay, I think that's all for me. Thank you.